now lastly, we have Honorable Katabazi Francis, a Member of Parliament from our neighboring country, the Great Republic of Uganda.
Thank you very much. Like they've told you, my name is Katabazi Francis Katongole. I'm the Member of Parliament of Kalungu East in the Parliament of Uganda. I'm really excited. I would like to respect all the protocol to be here today addressing you and also endorsing Baba. Baba has mentored me without never ever meeting me. That is by proxy or by what, I don't know. But with technology, you know, when you have good acts, people will always look at being there. And today, I think I will have a chance of shaking his hand. And I think I might not wash my hands for quite some time. Kenya is almost my second home. I've been there my hustling days, and I remember very well the time when Kenya had some turmoil after he stood so many times losing in the controversial way, but afterwards accepting. You know, that means he's a statesman, because statesmen, they look at the next generation. It is only politicians who look at the next elections. There is a time the late President Kibaki won him the second time. By the way, I was one of your supporters, but by proxy still, because I don't vote from Kenya. But when you lost, I was very disappointed. But then later, you agreed and worked together, I think in the capacity of Prime Minister and also Minister of Roads and and Infrastructure. And there is no time Kenya has ever had good leadership like that time, when two people who are like opponents came together to work for the good of the country, other than fighting. Of course, it's also my prayer that comes to my country, but because with me, I belong to the opposition. I'm a member of National Unity Platform and I support Bobby Wine. But when it comes to Baba, whether my president supported him, we agree on principle. And there is nothing that will make me happy, like among the things you've spoken about, if we have a visa-free Africa for all Africans. That would be the greatest gift you can give us, and then the rest will go. Because why should somebody from Uganda pay $60 to enter Ethiopia, another African country? I think this is not good. We should think about it, and we have hope in you. May God bless this campaign, and I'm looking forward to seeing you as the new chairman of African Union Commission. Thank you very much.